everybody, today we're going to go through my recent Charlotte Tilbury PR haul together. Okay, so if you didn't know, I am part of the Magic Beauty Stars program, which is a influencer creator program where you make content for Charlotte Tilbury, and the more content you make, you earn rewards, you earn perks, there's certain milestones, and because I just hit silver status, I got this box of prezzies. Okay, so I thought it'd be fun to show you what I got in this box because there were two presents I was expecting and one was actually a surprise. So let's go through the goods. And just before we continue, this is the first time I'm actually filming a video for YouTube. Usually I upload videos from other platforms and put them on here. So if I keep looking everywhere, it's because I'm working this out. Okay, so the first product we have here is the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution lipsticks. These are iconic. It's one of the products Charlotte Tilbury is actually really famous for, so let me open it and show you. Okay, so in the ever iconic rose gold packaging, this is a fresh Pillow Talk lipstick. I'm hoping you can see that. There we go. This has been my favourite Tilbury product because this was actually my first Tilbury product I ever bought, and I absolutely love this. It's a perfect sort of, I would say like a dark nudie pink on me. For some people this is quite fair, but now they've actually expanded the Pillow Talk collection. So you have like Pillow Talk Fair, Medium, Intense. So it's always a shade for you. But thanks to this shade, this is where it all started. Okay, next we have the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Now this I don't even need to open because on my makeup desk, I literally have one that I use all the time. This has been a real game changer for me because like a lot of my friends that are beauty bloggers and such, setting spray, you either love it or you don't. There's no in the middle. And I never used to use it that much, but when I started using this, I realized how important it actually is because this makes my eyeshadow last longer, helps my oily skin stay in control longer. I mean, you can see my face today. It's really humid and gross out, but I've been wearing this and it is my favourite thing in the world. I love the fact that when Tilbury send packages, they send this because this is a full size, same as the lipstick. It's not like they're sending you travel size, but I absolutely love this stuff. I couldn't be without it. Now lastly, we have the product that I had no clue was arriving because when you hit the milestones, sometimes it has a list of products that you could expect. It does say in the byline that it's subject to vary, but they included this, which is one of the 3 new Magic makeup bags. So these are called the Makeup Bag of Dreams Makeup Organiser, and this is absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with it. So it says Charlotte Tilbury here, logo. You've got a little Pillow Talk keyring there if you can see that. Hopefully you can. And then when you open it, it has 2 sections and a section with a zip, so actually 3, and a hidden pocket over here. Like, I love this. This is so handy for me because I love makeup bags, especially if they're burgundy. Now I'm looking over here, I need to look over here. And I absolutely love this. I love the colour, the size is perfect. But if you are looking for other ones, this comes in 3 sizes. So this is size small, then there's a medium and then a large. So depending on what you need, this is ready for you. Okay, and that is everything that is in my PR haul. So like I said, when you hit milestones, you get these. Sometimes you can enter competitions to win prizes. There's so many things. I'm actually going to leave a link below if you want to join the Magic Stars program because there's a few requirements, but it's such a fun program and you meet so many people through it as well, which is really fun. I'm also going to leave my discount code below, which gets you 15% off your first Charlotte Tilbury order. So thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye.